Thursday, January 30th, 10:30 a.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. Go over my day trade. Here's a scalp. S&P 500 futures. We're looking here at two grids. Left is the 1 minute. The right is the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, my entry, 09:45 a.m. Gray vertical line right here. So in that minute here, candle is where I went long. Bought the futures contracts at the price of 60.94.50. This green vertical line, 0953, I closed it 6105.25. So that profit was 10 points and 3/4 per contract. It was good. Good entry, closed good. Yep. So right here, you see this golden box. That's from 9:30 a.m. to 9:45, the first 15-minute candle. You certainly see there was a lot of whipsaw there. And my trade entry here, I chose, again, because I had these key levels, these price swing points, these vertical lines I have drawn. Sorry, these horizontal lines I have drawn. And when we broke above it here, pull back, consolidation. I was looking at multiple time frames, seeing I was interpreting it as bullish. We had a breakout of that inside candle. I went long there. And as we went up, this was a strong trend here on the 1 minute. Nice. I was concerned here on this 1 minute candle here, this white candle near the top. Well, that simply means the open and closed, same price, but it also is a dodgy candle, top of the trend. Just thinking we're going to have a reversal. Certainly I want to close if it breaks below it. Well, the next candle, zoom in. The next candle was a green candle, higher high, higher low. That was nice. Then that red candle, lower low, lower high. So it didn't close yet below that white candle. So I didn't close my trade yet. But that next candle broke below that red candle and broke below the white candle. So I closed my trade. That's good. Took my profits. And then, of course, it reversed, went a little bit higher, did another test, filled. And I was not looking to trade bearish because I didn't see the setup that I liked. So again, sat on hands. So since then, you can see what happened. It went lower. Thank goodness I closed my trade. It's lower now, below the opening of the New York session. So this white horizontal line is the price that we opened up at 9:30. It says right there, 9:30. Let me show you on the 5 minute. So on the 5 minute candle, green here on the far left, that's the Asian session. In the middle of the purple, the London session, and this vertical yellow line was the New York opening, 9:30. So on the 5 minute, you can see two. These 3 5-minute candles that make up that 15-minute candle, that first 15-minute session. So I'm going to show you something more. So again, my entry was after that red candle, the third 5-minute red candle inside that 15-minute block. And look at that. My entry, and then it took off like a rocket. So look at that big 5-minute impulse move up. Used a lot of energy, get up there. Breaking above the overnight high, this yellow horizontal line was the overnight high, broke above it. And my thought was, yeah, we're going to get a retracement because I was also looking at the 5-minute candle. We had that retracement. See this red candle? We retraced it there. And like I said, I closed my trade there near the high. And look at these strong sell-offs, multiple time frames. Nice. On my other screen, I'm looking here. I call this my radar. Same thing, the S&P 500 futures, the left grid 15-minute, this second from the left, the 1 hour, this third one from the left, 4 hour, and the far right, the daily. So right off the bat, the daily candle, since this early morning, yellow candle means we didn't take out the high or low of the prior day yet. Yeah, we also have that gap up there and big point here. So my thought was when I was looking at this, 7 o'clock this morning, I was getting mixed signals. And this 4-hour candle, this 4-hour candle here, started at 9 a.m., a huge whipsaw all the way up there, going to that gap, rejecting it, and already broke below the early morning 4-hour candle. Yep, so all these labels I had, we went to sweet spots. So this might be a sweet spot for me to put a trade on it right here where it takes this imbalance area. And let me also show you here, looking at the pre-market futures. Mhm. Far left, daily chart, ES, the middle, the NQ, and the far right, the YM. I looked at this early in the morning before the current time, and I saw mixed signals here. The only strong one was the Nasdaq making higher, high, higher, low, where the ES far left and the YM far right, both inside days so far. Then I took it to my lower time frame. Same with the 4 hour. My 4 hour in the ES, I was seeing distribution and mixed signals on the NQ and YM. And down to the 1 hour. All this I'm looking at before I'm taking trades to determine potential areas you may go to, as well as how the morning's looking. Well, look at here in the 1 hour chart on each of these. Yeah. And take it down to the 15 minute. Showing again each one on the 15 minute. There we go. On the ES. Again, there was a lot of news this morning I posted. This huge whipsaw. So right off the bat, you can see the NQ now took out the low for overnight. The ES hasn't, and the YM has taken out the M. So the NQ, YM both took out the overnight lows. The ES has not yet. So that trade I there, thinking for bullish, nah, I'm gonna log out, done for the day, going to do my fitness. Maybe in the afternoon when I come back, I'll maybe see a swing trade to set up for the next few days. Thank you as always, spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.